Hello, friends. What are fat burners? What drinks are fat burners? What foods increase fat consumption? Watch the video to the end and find out how you can not lose weight so quickly, but confidently, using natural fat burners. Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel, Healthy Lifestyle. On this channel we talk about a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, fitness, training, longevity, health, happy life, and about everything that is useful for us and for our family. Well, a little bit about what is not useful or even harmful. Join us and you will definitely learn something new, so watch the video until the end. It will be very interesting, useful and amazing. Write comments, express your opinion, share videos with friends and like. And don't forget to click on the bell so as not to miss useful new items. Thanks. Good luck to you and good health. Many women and some men dream of losing weight. But to do it in such a way as not to suffer from hunger, not to squeeze out the last of your strength in the gym. In this case, they should use fat burners products. However, this does not exclude physical activity, at least daily hiking. And also a restriction in nutrition. Of course, not starvation diets, but also not eating cakes and pastries. What are fat burners? Fat burners are those substances that help fight fat deposits, subcutaneous and visceral, internal, fat. Natural fat burners are products that increase energy resources, stimulate metabolism, reduce the intensity of absorption of fats and carbohydrates in the intestine, stimulate the release of toxins, have a laxative and diuretic effect. The effect of natural fat burners is based on the fact that more energy is spent on digesting these products than their caloric content. That is, when they are consumed, a negative energy balance arises. There is a need to draw energy from internal resources, which means it is necessary to break down fat. According to the mechanism of action, these products can be divided into the following groups. 1. Thermogenics cause a short-term increase in temperature. While the intensity of metabolism increases, the movement of lymph accelerates, which consumes energy, which means fat is broken down. 2. Products that promote increased diuresis and have a laxative effect. 3. Appetite suppressants are those that contain a lot of fiber, which takes up a lot of space in the stomach and intestines, which leads to a feeling of satiety. 4. Lipolytics are direct participants in fat metabolism, but among natural products, these properties are expressed very moderately. What drinks are fat burners? Among all the drinks consumed by a person, the greatest ability to increase the intensity of metabolic reactions, which means to help burn fat, can be allocated caffeine containing. Caffeine refers to alkaloids that activate the nervous system, increase vascular tone, stimulate diuresis, accelerate metabolism, leads to vasodilation, increased heart rate. All these processes require increased energy expenditure, which leads to burning, splitting of fat molecules. Caffeine-containing products include black and green tea, black coffee. Only these drinks should be consumed without sugar and cream. Do not eat cakes and sweets. It is necessary to drink drinks containing caffeine in the morning and no more than 3 glasses per day. Fat-burning drinks include dry natural wine. It is natural, not recovered from powder, but made from grapes by natural fermentation. And it should be drunk no more than 150 milliliters per day. What foods increase fat consumption? The following foods can be distinguished. 1. Grapefruit is in the lead when it is possible to expend internal energy. Cynephrine, which is in the crusts of this citrus and is contained in the internal membranes, which are slightly bitter, reduces appetite, causes an acceleration of metabolism, accelerates the work of the heart. All this leads to the fact that energy reserves are consumed, and they are located in fat cells. 2. Sea cabbage, kelp, is rich in iodine, stimulates the formation of thyroid hormones, which trigger accelerated metabolism. 3. Beef liver contains B vitamins, minerals such as iron and chromium, which accelerate the absorption of nutrients and stimulate intensive metabolism, energy production, and not the formation of fat deposits. Along with the energy obtained during the digestion of the liver, the internal energy obtained by splitting subcutaneous fats is also consumed. 4. Milk and dairy products, especially fermented milk, which replenish the balance of proteins, contribute to the normalization of intestinal microflora, and it actively participates in metabolism and leads to the restoration of energy from fat molecules. 5. Ginger is a seasoning and a medicinal product. Ginger tea with honey and lemon is just a highly catalyst for fat metabolism. Essential oils that are part of the root of the plant lead to the stimulation of all processes in the body, including metabolism and purification. 6. Pineapple contains a substance such as bromelain, which stimulates digestion, gives a feeling of satiety, accelerates the digestion and splitting of food, the dissolution of fats. 7. Oatmeal, a simple oatmeal porridge made from whole grains soaked before cooking for 6 to 8 hours, leads to a prolonged feeling of satiety, regulates the work of the intestines, envelops the gastric mucosa, preventing the absorption of fat. 8. Bran, and any that can be added to the first and second dishes, bake delicious and healthy buns from them. These are the best sorbents that remove all toxins, cleanse the intestinal walls, and remove slags. They lead to relaxation of the stool, do not allow carbohydrates and fats to be absorbed. By consuming such drinks and products that can't influence the amount of fat in the body, you can gradually get rid of excess fat deposits. But do not forget that you need to move more and still not overeat. And to sum up, each of these techniques is done for the sake of one main goal: to create a daily calorie deficit. If you want to get it in a well thought out way, not so that somewhere one point is somewhere else, but you clearly got a plan step by step, you stick to it, you get the result in this form. If you like this video, then rate it and share it with your friend, and I wish you success. Good luck. Take care of yourself and have fun with proper workouts until you meet in the next video.